Hi, welcome to Bogong Machinery. Today we will introduce you our new robot fiber laser welder. As you can see, this one is used the retools, welding gun, and also the recursive laser source. You can set progress at first, then the robot arm will do the welding process automatically.
哇，
Call me boss.
哇塞！